Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 multiplayer. First, you need to ensure you own a legitimate copy of Euro Truck Simulator 2 on Steam. This is a crucial first step. Next, head over to the official Truckers MP website and download their free client. After downloading, you will need to create a Truckers MP account and link it directly to your Steam profile. This process usually takes just a few minutes to complete. Once you have the client downloaded, run the installer. It is a straightforward process. Just follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Make sure to select Euro Truck Simulator 2 when prompted to choose your game. After the installation finishes, you will launch the game through the dedicated Truckers MP launcher, not directly from your Steam library. This ensures you connect to the multiplayer servers and experience the community. With everything set up, it is time to hit the open roads. When you launch, you will see a list of available servers. Select one that suits your region and preferred rules, such as simulation or arcade. Remember to always follow the Truckers MP rules to ensure a fair and enjoyable experience for everyone. You can chat with fellow truckers using the in-game text chat or by tuning into the CB radio channels. To truly enhance your multiplayer journey, practice safe driving habits. Always maintain a safe distance from other vehicles to prevent any accidental bumps or crashes. Using your indicators and following traffic laws makes the experience much more realistic and enjoyable for everyone. For an even deeper immersion, consider joining a virtual trucking company. They often organize large convoys and community events, adding a new layer of fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.